Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can receive payments on PayPal. Now, receiving payment on PayPal is quite easy and very straightforward. Okay, if you don't have an account already, all you simply need to do is head over to paypal.com and sign up an account yourself. Okay, so if you have an account, what you simply need to do is log into your account, and whoever it is that want to send you payment, all you simply need to do is copy the email address you use in creating your PayPal account and send it to that person. Okay, once that person have your PayPal email address, they can send payment to that email address and the money is going to show in your PayPal account. You're going to see it in your PayPal balance. Okay, if you don't have a PayPal account already and someone mistakenly send money to that email address, you can simply use that email to create a PayPal account and the money is going to drop in your account. Okay, so there are a few ways at which you can actually receive money on PayPal. Now, the first one and the easiest one is to send your email address to the person that wants to send you money. Okay, another way at which you can do this is to come over here and click on request money. Okay, so for you to use this option, you must have, or you must know, the email address of the sender that want to send the money to you. All you simply need to do here is enter the email address of the person. So in my own case, let me quickly enter an email address of someone here and show you how you can do this. Alright, so as you can see, the contact has pop up. So just click the contact right here and click the next button. So here is going to ask you to specify the amount of money you want to receive. Okay, so let's say you want to receive $50. All you simply need to do is click the request a payment, and the owner of that account is going to receive the request notification of the $50 you want them to send to you. Now, the other way around at which you can actually do this is to come over here again and click on request money. Okay, so once you click on request money, you should see another option right here, which is share your paypal.me link. Okay, I did a previous video on how to create a paypal.me link. I'm going to add a video at the description of the video. Click the link to check out how you can create your own personal paypal.me link. Okay, so once you have this paypal.me link, all you simply need to do is copy the link and send it over to the person that wants to send the money to you. Okay, so once they see the link, they can specify the amount of money they want to send to you, and they're going to send the money and you're going to receive the money in your balance. All right, so that's basically how you can use PayPal to receive money from anywhere, including your friends and family and your business partners. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more videos like this. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.